Welcome to another episode of VLOGTOBER. It's so small, but it's perfect. It also came with a recipe, different little recipes in the inside. I got it off Amazon. If you guys want to purchase to make some fall breakfast for you and your babies or just yourself, it's cute. Y'all, look what I got. I'm excited. About to make me some fall breakfast. Pumpkin waffles on the way. Good morning, y'all. Welcome to another episode of VLOGTOBER. Hey, y'all. If you're new here, my name is Tempest. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because only if you enjoy my content, though. Only if you enjoy my content. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But anyways, y'all. So, I just pulled up to Walmart. I know y'all probably like, girl, you always at Walmart. But yeah, I do. But it's right up the street. I just pulled up to Walmart. And then I'm going to go by Kroger. I have a few things to get out of Walmart. And then I got a couple things to get out of Kroger. Period. But yeah, so I just pulled up here, and this episode is gonna be just basically y'all cooking with me. So I pulled up here because I really have everything at home that I need for my morning breakfast, but I just need a few more. I think needed one more thing, and then for my dinner I needed a couple things. So yeah, that's why I had to come right quick. I'm like, let me get up and get out this house so I can go right quick. So I will meet y'all inside. Only came for this at Kroger. Walking out. Look at my kitchen. Cutesy. Very demille. Alright, y'all, so I made it back home. I'm about to get started. I'm about to whip it up. Whip it up. Hey. So I'm about to get started on our breakfast. So on today's menu will be waffles. Waffles got my mix, eggs, sausage. I might do bacon. I don't know about breakfast potatoes. I don't think so. I made breakfast potatoes yesterday, so I don't think I'm making any of that. Yeah. I don't even feel like making them. Them take no 10. And then I'm gonna need my onion. Need onion with it, and I need my onion for my dinner. Alright, so let's get into it. 1/3 cup of water. One-third cup of oil. Yeah. I'm tired. Because why is it taking so long to get these lumps out? I'm dicing the apples up for our topping.
All night, say it. I want all night. I want all night, say it. I want all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. All night.
They cook so fast, like literally in seconds. It's so cute. Look at it. This was my test one, so that's why I poked a hole in it, because I wasn't sure if it was done or not. But it's definitely done. It looks so cute. So the next one is in there.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for a nigga so cheap. And flex so D, sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you gotta pay and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Y'all, look how cute it came out. So cutesy. Very demure. Oh, it's so cute. Let me get this little apple there. It's so stinking cute. So cute.
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fuck her right. Body look is unpolite. Done be in a humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Posing.
Yeah, it's so good. The boys loved it. Mm-hmm. It's the apples. Yeah, so I'm not gonna lie. I recorded so much earlier. I don't even feel like recording our dinner. I did so much today. I don't feel like recording anything. I just wanna make this dinner, get to chill for a second, and then I gotta go to work. So, but I feel like that's part of the content. My bad, I took y'all to the dark. I don't feel like it. But it's really nothing special because I'm only doing like smothered chicken, rice, broccoli and cheese, and some croissant rolls. So it's nothing really special. So do y'all want to see my dinner? I don't know. I might put snippets of it on there. But breakfast was so good, y'all. Breakfast was amazing. It was so good. And that's the football game going. But breakfast was really good. After breakfast, I chilled for a little bit. I watched some YouTube. I folded clothes. I had so many clothes to fold up. There's some in the dryer now that need to be folded. And now it's time for dinner already. Time just been flying today. It's going on 4 o'clock. So I want dinner done by at least 5:30. And then I have like a little over an hour to chill. So let's get to it.
What you doing?
And searing my chicken.
Oh,
Alright, so this is what I use for my gravy. It's basically like a gravy that I'm gonna put over the chicken with green pepper. Well, yeah, green pepper and onions. And then it's gonna go in the oven. Y'all, so this is how it's looking so far.
This is gonna require like
It's so hot in here.
like for me to like have to put together an outfit and make sure everything looks good. I don't know, maybe it's coming across right. It's the color of my
The rice is done.
and then this and this. So I'm gonna change.
Catching up on my fashion girly. I love her down because her fits be so well put together. I love her down.
Mars always gotta be Martin. Look. Hard taco girlies or soft taco girlies? You know what I'm saying? I am 100% 10 out of 10. Will always be.
Your girl be in the kitchen today. Don't play with her. Don't play with her.
But I don't prefer. Like if I had to choose between the two, that would be.
Don't play with your girl. So the rice is done. The chicken is pretty much done. I just still have it in the oven. I just put the rolls in there. And all I gotta do is the broccoli. And dinner is done. And I still have time. Yeah, she got done faster than what I thought. It's only 5 o'clock.
But I just let Saddam go because he helped with homework and he still wants it.
BJ, did you text Auntie Cynthia and tell her happy birthday?
Oh, I know it was her birthday.
Yeah, text her.
Okay.
Yum, yum. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum. Falling off the bone. You see that? Do you see? Falling off the bone. Alright y'all, so this is the ending of today's vlog. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all will see us in a few days. Y'all will see us in a few days. Today's dinner was great, but it's time to relax. I've been in the kitchen literally the whole day. So let's relax, and I hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog and enjoyed cooking with me. Thank y'all. See y'all on the next one.